Have you ever wondered why some people seem to defy age and stay healthy well into their later years? What if I told you there's a legendary doctor whose simple yet powerful habits could change how you think about health forever? Meet Dr. Leo Bokeria, a world-renowned heart surgeon with over 50 years of experience and thousands of lives saved. But what sets him apart isn't just his career, it's his ability to live out the very advice he gives his patients. At 85 years old, Dr. Bokeria still performs surgeries and maintains a sharp, energetic, and healthy lifestyle. His philosophy? True health comes from simple, natural choices that are easy to follow and incredibly effective. Today, we're diving deep into his life-changing secrets. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips you can start using today to feel healthier, look better, and stay strong no matter your age. Stay with us to the end because we'll share Dr. Bokeria's special recipe for a heart-healthy breakfast that you can easily make at home. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of staying healthy, this video will show you how small changes can make a huge difference. Let's get started. For Dr. Bokeria, food isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your body to thrive. His approach to eating is both simple and transformative. Choose fresh, natural ingredients and avoid processed foods. Why? Because the quality of what you eat directly affects your heart, energy levels, and overall health. Dr. Bokeria's daily meals are carefully planned to provide essential nutrients without unnecessary calories or harmful additives. His philosophy revolves around foods that reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support heart health. This isn't about trendy diets or complicated recipes, it's about eating with intention. Here's what his typical day looks like. Breakfast. Dr. Bokeria starts his day with 2 large glasses of water to wake up his system. His go-to breakfast includes oats for fiber to lower cholesterol, fresh berries loaded with antioxidants, yogurt for gut health, seeds like chia or flax for heart-healthy omega-3s. Lunch, a balanced plate of grilled fish, leafy greens, and olive oil dressing. These ingredients work together to nourish his heart and provide long-lasting energy. Dinner, a light meal, such as vegetable soup or steamed broccoli with a small portion of lean protein. Eating early allows his body to rest and recover overnight. By focusing on natural, nutrient-dense foods, Dr. Bokeria avoids the pitfalls of processed meals and ensures his body gets exactly what it needs. His diet proves that eating well doesn't have to be expensive or complicated, it just requires a bit of thoughtfulness. Dr. Bokeria believes hydration is the cornerstone of good health. Water isn't just about quenching thirst, it's vital for every function in your body, from pumping blood to eliminating toxins. He recommends drinking 2 to 3 liters of water daily and has a simple formula to determine your ideal intake. Multiply your weight in kilograms by 35. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you'd need about 2.5 liters of water. But that's not all. One of his most powerful health hacks is intermittent fasting, a practice where you go without food for 12 to 16 hours, typically from dinner to breakfast. This method gives your body time to rest, repair, and reset. Research shows that intermittent fasting can lower inflammation, improve blood sugar levels, promote cell repair. By combining proper hydration with intermittent fasting, Dr. Bokeria keeps his body in peak condition and his energy levels high. It's a simple habit anyone can adopt to feel better and live longer. Beyond food and hydration, Dr. Bokeria emphasizes the importance of daily habits that support physical and mental well-being. These include 1. Daily walks. A 15-minute walk can improve circulation, clear your mind, and boost your mood. 2. Stretching. Every morning, he stretches to keep his muscles flexible and prevent injuries. 3. Meditation and deep breathing. These practices reduce stress, which is essential for heart health. 4. Good sleep. He ensures 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night for recovery and rejuvenation. 5. Social connections. Spending time with loved ones helps reduce stress and adds joy to life. These simple habits prove that you don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle to see results. Small, consistent actions can lead to big changes over time. Dr. Bokeria also has a clear list of foods to avoid, as they can harm your heart and overall health. These include fried and processed foods, high in unhealthy fats and chemicals. Sugary snacks and drinks can lead to diabetes and heart problems. Processed meats, loaded with salt and preservatives that increase blood pressure. Margarine and trans fats raise bad cholesterol and clog arteries. Excess salt. Too much sodium makes your heart work harder and increases blood pressure. By avoiding these foods, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and other chronic illnesses. One of Dr. Bokeria's favorite breakfasts is a simple yet powerful oatmeal recipe designed to support heart health. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients: half a cup of oats, 1 cup of water or plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of chia or flax seeds, a pinch of sea salt, fresh berries, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Instructions: cook the oats with water or milk until creamy. Stir in cinnamon and sea salt for flavor and added nutrients. Add chia or flax seeds for omega-3 fats. Top with fresh berries for antioxidants and sweetness. Drizzle honey if you prefer a touch of natural sweetness. This simple dish is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats. It's a delicious way to start your day while supporting your health. Dr. Bokeria firmly believes that a positive mindset and practicing gratitude are as important for health as eating well and staying active. In fact, your mental and emotional health can significantly impact your physical well-being. Stress, negativity, and unresolved emotions can create a cycle that wears down your body over time. But here's the good news: by fostering gratitude and positivity, you can reverse that cycle and create one of healing and vitality. Gratitude is more than just saying, "thank you." It's about truly appreciating the good in your life, no matter how small. Research shows that practicing gratitude can lower stress, reduce symptoms of depression, and even improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. It works because gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right, which helps your brain release feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. Dr. Bokeria integrates gratitude into his daily routine. He starts his mornings by reflecting on 3 things he's grateful for, be it the beauty of nature, the love of family, or the opportunity to help others through his work. This simple practice sets a positive tone for his day and helps him stay focused on what truly matters. He also encourages finding joy in everyday moments. Whether it's appreciating the flavors of a healthy meal, laughing with loved ones, or taking a walk in the fresh air, these moments of mindfulness keep the stress at bay and enhance overall well-being. You can start small. Take 5 minutes each day to write down what you're grateful for or share it with a loved one. Over time, this habit can transform your mindset and even improve your health. By combining gratitude with the other habits we've discussed, eating well, staying active, and practicing mindfulness, you're giving yourself a powerful toolset to achieve lasting health and happiness. Dr. Bokeria's life and habits prove that living well doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on natural foods, staying hydrated, and building simple daily habits, anyone can improve their health and longevity. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time. So, what's your first step? Try one of these tips today, whether it's making his oatmeal recipe, taking a daily walk, or drinking more water. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. Subscribe for more practical health advice, and I'll see you in the next video.